how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Jason Voorhees balloon. Okay, it's going to be very simple, very easy in the spirit of Halloween, so let's jump right into it, okay? Alright, first things first, I'm going to create a balloon shape. Alright, so we don't do it all at once, you can do kind of in chunks. So right here I'm going to go start with the top part, just kind of that dome shape, right? Curve to the top. I'm going to go over here on the side over here and pull down. Okay, gonna go over here on this side and pull down as well. So it's a little rounder at the top than it is at the bottom. That's kind of most balloons. I'm gonna put a lip down here, up right there, and then you can also throw a curved line right here for kind of where you tie the knot to the balloon. And then I'm going to have the string come out here the side. So that's the balloon part. Let's get into the Jason Voorhees part, okay, which is right up here. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a kind of egg-like shape right here. You can think of it like an egg-like shape, or it's more round than an egg, I guess. So like an egg is kind of the reverse of a balloon, right? So like the balloon shape is bigger, rounder at the top, and then kind of pointed-ish at the bottom, and the egg is the other way around. The egg is pointed-ish at the top, then round at the bottom. But this is less like an egg, I guess, more just like a general circle. Oops, let me actually put another one over here. And then I'm going to fill them in. These are the eye sockets that I'm going to fill in. Probably a lot easier to fill in pencil. By the way, don't forget, if you like Halloween, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. You won't regret it. There's going to be how-to tutorials on different Halloween topics the whole season. Okay, you're going to see these things on your feed every now and then when you press that subscribe and bell notification. The cool part is you get it for next year too. After the season is over, you know, we go through the rest of the year, and then let's say 2023 comes around. I'm kind of dating myself here, but 2023 comes around, Halloween, you will be ready. It's awesome, okay? Go right here. Filling this out. Cool. Got those two shapes down there, and you kind of like fill them in. That's kind of obviously first step, step one. The cool part is you can kind of do like any face you want in here, but we're doing Jason. So now we're gonna do the holes for kind of the air holes in the hockey mask. All right, we got those two dots right there. Continuing down. Over here. So you have these 6 kind of going down like that. Let's go over here on this side. Circle over here, circle over here, kind of going down, right? So far we have the bottom holes for the hockey mask, right? Good, good. Now we're going to do the top. It's kind of like a square shape at the top. So for example, I'm going to put a dot right here. And a dot right here. 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 And dot right here at the center. I'm not really gonna put the straps, you know, like usually you put like a square over here, because it's a balloon and I just don't think it really needs that, you know. But I am gonna put the red markings, of course, on the mask. You can do this either in black or whatever, in pencil. You can do whatever you want, or you can add color the way I'm about to. I'm about to do this in color. So do like a thin one here. These are Copic markers, by the way. I'll put the link in the description somewhere. Really amazing markers. You can get them on Amazon and stuff. So the cool part about these markers is they don't really smear. That's kind of the cool part. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put these stripes. Before I do that, don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, go to the official website. That is sketchingeasy.com. Go to sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson. If you click the dragon, it is very, very simple. Go check that out. Yeah, go check that out right now. Or not right now, after this video, okay? Sketchingeasy.com. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna put in a line over here, down, line over here, line over here, and it's not gonna be totally even. This one's kind of disappearing over here, and then this one you're gonna see the edge of it. Just doing that to add a little bit of variety. You don't want to have it completely sterile, but you know what? It's fine if you do. If it's a mirror image, it's completely fine. You can do that as well. Filling that in, and over here, kind of filling that in as well. Again, you don't have to use red. It's just something I'm using. You can use a black, and it'll look just as nice, in my opinion. Okay, now let's find the center right here. There's one right, the center arrow. Line across, down, down. And I'm going to fill this in. Right on. Cool. So that's, you can call it like right there, but I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to go with you could use a blue or a gray. I think I'm going to use a gray. I'm going to use a light gray, and you don't have to do this again. You can. It'll be fun, but you don't have to. I'm going to grab a gray marker, and if you don't have that, you can just kind of do it with blue. But draw a curve right here and fill that in, curve right here and fill that in, because even though it's totally white, I want to give it a little bit of shadow, a little bit of dimension. A little bit of dimension helps. And I'm going to go over here on the right side, kind of curving up over here. Like so. I'm going to go over here underneath. Line over here, and I might actually do it over here on the other side as well, just kind of like trailing up along the edges. I'm not sure if that appears on camera. I hope it does, but I know sometimes when it will not appear on the camera because I'm using if you ever get these, this is a T3. The higher the number, the darker it gets. So like T3, there's T4, T5, right, all the way to like T9, which is basically near black. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like this, hit that thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Share the video as well. I want to spread the Halloween cheer as far as I possibly can this year, and I'm really, really ready for that, okay? I hope you are too. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Say hi to me in the comments, and yeah, see ya.